Every dollar you waste today is a dollar that could have bought your freedom tomorrow. The question is, how long are you willing to stay trapped? Let me show you the financial truths no one wants to tell you, and the mindset shifts that separate the wealthy from the broke. Stay till the end, because one of these could change your life forever. 8. Your future self is watching. Every financial decision you make today is shaping the life you live in 5 years. Will your future self thank you, or hate you? Though, the world rewards owners, not workers. If your income stops when you stop working, you're one step away from financial disaster. Build assets, own something, or stay on the treadmill forever. Teen, every dollar you spend is a choice. You are not saving money when you skip that $5 coffee. You are buying freedom, buying opportunities, buying your way out of a life of stress. 4. Debt is a time thief. Think about it. How many years of your life will you trade away to pay for things you bought on impulse? Is that pair of shoes really worth a year of your future? 5. Wealth isn't built in public, it's built in silence. The loudest people in the room are usually the brokest. The truly rich, they move in silence. They invest, they stack, they wait. Then one day, they move differently. Che, if you don't control your money, someone else will. Corporations, banks, and marketers have one goal: to keep you spending. Every ad you see is designed to take your money. The question is, are you in control, or are they? 7. Money is just a tool, until you don't have it. They say money can't buy happiness. But let's be real, neither can stress, debt, or struggle. Money won't make you happy, but a lack of money can make you miserable. 8. The wealthy play the long game. Most people chase quick money, lotteries, get-rich-quick schemes, flashy trends. But real wealth, it's built by those willing to wait. The longer you think, the richer you get. No, your environment is making you broke. If everyone around you is comfortable being average, they'll pull you down with them. Look around. If you're the smartest person in the room, you are in the wrong room. Thus, the most expensive thing in life, regret. 5 years from now, you'll either be living the life you dreamed of, or wishing you had started today. The choice is yours. You've just heard the hard truths most people ignore. The question is, what will you do with this knowledge? Will you let it fade away like another video, or will this be the moment you take control? The wealthy act, the broke hesitate. Which one will you be? If you're serious about building wealth, subscribe now, because the journey is just beginning.